Hi, welcome back. I'm Phil with Majestic Solutions and I'm in our Care Tech Training Center. Today I would like to talk to you and give you some information about Power Prep. Power Prep is one of our pre-soak formulas that we sell to car washes and detail shops alike. It's very versatile in the fact that it's an excellent hard surface cleaner. It is a built formula that is designed to clean and break away the soil from the vehicle without damaging the vehicle surface. Dilution ratios can range anywhere from 30:1 to 120:1 depending upon application. For example, car washes. A car wash can run this as far as 120:1 in a arch system where the friction machines are doing most of the work anyway. In a detail application where you might be trying to clean a box truck or really dirty or filthy utility truck, a 30:1 dilution ratio would work perfectly fine. Depending on application, the stronger the concentration for real filthy surfaces. Now on this vehicle, it's a very dirty Jeep. We've used it in sequences earlier. I will start out at a 25:1 ratio mixed in our chemical resistant sprayer that we sell. So those demos are coming up right now. Okay, so we used Power Prep as a pre-soak with zero agitation through our chemical resistant pump sprayer, and it gave us great results, removing 98% of the soil from the surface. Real solutions, real results.